Let's go to page 563 and start with number 1. Okay, so this one you want to find the area of the triangle using the information in all exercises. Okay, so number 1, again, let's just get all the information together. Okay, so number 1, you got A equal to 30 degrees, B equal to 45 degrees, and small b equal to 20. Okay. So when one side is given, you probably want to go ahead and get the other side, so you can use the formula. But from here, let's go and get a third angle. Okay. So you get 180 minus 30 minus 45. Okay, this will give you 105 degrees. And I'm going to find the length A. So I got A over sine 30 degrees equal to B over sine of 45 degrees. Okay, and multiplied by sine of 30. So that moving over. So A equal to 20 times sine of 30 degrees divided by sine of 45 degrees. So A equal to, okay, use your calculator, work it out. So A equal to 14.14. Okay, so over here just write down 14, but when you calculate, make sure you use 14.14. Okay, so now you can use the area. Instead of using A, I'm going to use K, right? K for area. And I'm going to use 1/2 AB sine C. Okay. So again, all the three letters should be different. So that's easy to memorize. Just remember that all three letters have to be different. Okay? And so since you have these two sides, you have to use this angle. And just substitute everything in here. So 1/2 times A is 14, B is 20, sine of 105 degrees. So K equal to, I'm going to just keep this number since I have this number already. So this is actually 14.14. So I'm going to times it by 1/2, so 0.5, times it by 20, times it by 105 sine equal. And if you run off to the 3 digits, so it'd be 137. And does have it, this one does have a label. Okay, and that's it. Okay, number 3. Okay, let's get our information. Okay, number 3, B equal to 4, C equal to 18, angle A equals to 32 degrees. Okay, so this is kind of nice because this is all three different letters already. So we can go and just go and use K equal to 1/2 BC sine of A. Again, that formula is very easy to remember. All three letters just have to be all different. So K equal to 1/2 times 4 times 18 sine of 32 degrees. Okay, so 0.5 times 4 times 18 times 32 sine equal, so K equal to 19.1. So again, we're going to use 3 significant digits. Okay, next one. Okay, number 5. Okay, A equal to 5, B equal to 12, and C equal to 10. Okay, when you have the three sides, you have to use the Heron's formula. Okay, so you can write down your formula first. So K equal to square root of S, S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. So first we need to find the S. So S is equal to half of the perimeter, so it would be 5 plus 12 plus 10 over 2. Okay, so S equal to, use your calculator. Okay, so this actually is 27, so it would be 13.5. Okay. Okay, then substitute into formula. So S is 13.5. And you just use this minus each one of these. So this minus that will give you 8.5. This minus that will give you 1.5. And this one minus will give you 3.5. Okay. So when you use calculator, just going to multiply. So 13.5 times 8.5 times 1.5 times 3.5. And make sure you push equal, then you take the square root. And you run out to 3 significant digits, so it would be 24.5. Okay, number 7. Okay, A equal to 12, B equal to 15, angle C equal to 120 degrees. Okay, so this is kind of nice. So you can just use K equal to 1/2 AB sine C. So K equal to 1/2 A B sine of 120 degrees. So use your calculator, enter all the numbers in here. Okay, so 0.5 times 12 times 15 times 120 sine equal, and this will give you 77.9. Okay. Okay, number 9. Find the area of the parallelogram. Okay, that has a 65-degree angle. Now, since this is greater than 90, so 65 has to be over here. Okay, so you got 65-degree angle, and sides with lengths of 8 and 12. Okay. Okay, so this one, what you need to do is, you can cut that into 2 triangles. Okay. So if you cut like this, okay, and if you call this A and this B, so the K is going to be equal to, okay, now just for one triangle, it's going to be 1/2 AB sine of C. Okay, so this is going to be, so it's kind of nice already. And since there are 2 of them, you have to times it by 2. Okay, because there are 2 triangles. Okay. And now 2 and half cancel out, so it's kind of nice. So K would be just equal to 12 times A sine of 65 degrees. Okay, so get your calculator. And so K equal to 87.0. And the reason you have to put a 0.0 because you try to get answer to 3 significant digits. Okay? So if you don't have the 0, you only have 2 significant digits. Okay, number 11. A triangle has an area. Okay, so you have a triangle. The area is equal to 48 centimeters square. Okay, and the shortest sides have the length of 9 and 12. Find the largest angle of the triangle to the nearest degree. So you're looking for this over here. Okay. Now, because this is the longer side, so the largest angle has to facing the longer side, right? And so we can write down the formula for that. So area equal to 1/2 AB sine of C. So that's your A, and that's your B, and that's your C. Okay, so it's kind of nice. So just substitute all the numbers in here. So you got 48 equal to 1/2 A B sine of C. So you're looking for sine of C. Okay. And so first, okay, let's go and multiply by 2. Okay, so this will cancel out. And then I'm going to divide by 9, divide by 12, divide by 9, divide by 12. Okay, so this and this cancel out. So 8/9 equal to sine of C. Okay, so get calculator. So 8/9, and you go second sine. Okay. And so you're going to get C equal to 62.7 degrees. Okay. Now, when you're using the law of sine, when you're using this formula to find sine, you got to look for different possibilities, okay? Because another angle that give you the same value of that would be a supplementary angle, okay? So 180 minus that. So we give you 117 degrees, 3 significant. This one has, okay, 0.3 degrees. Okay. Now, this answer is no good because if you have an equilateral triangle, you're going to get 60, 60, 60, right? But this is not close. This is not even close to the equilateral triangle. So this angle must be much greater than 60. Okay. So again, this is not going to be this kind of situation, okay, because you can see that these two numbers are quite different. So you can see that the angle is not going to be that close, okay? Therefore, this is not going to work. Okay. Another way you can do this, you can use your trigonometry to figure out all the angles and to see which one will work. Okay. So this would be the answer that you should get. Okay. And so actually it says to find to the nearest degree. So nearest degree would be 117 degrees. Okay. Okay, you want to find to the nearest degree. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, number 13. Find the area of a regular pentagon. Find the area of a regular pentagon whose sides are 10 centimeters long. Okay, so for this one, there are several ways you can do this, but I'm going to just go and do this way. Okay. Okay, so there are a circle with 360 degrees, and since this is a regular pentagon, so each angle will be equal. So you get 360, okay, divided by 5 equal to 72. So this will be 72 degrees, okay. And because this is going to be isosceles triangle, because both of these are the radius, right? So these two angles have to be equal. So you can use 180 minus 72 equal 108. So these two angles is 108, and you divide by 2, you get 54. Okay. So if you were to draw this, just focus on the triangle itself. Okay, you're going to get 10 here. You're going to get 54, 54, and this would be 36 and 36 degrees. Okay. So from here we can find the height. Okay, because if this is 10, this would be a 5, this would be a 5, right? Okay, so the height, so the relationship between this, I'm going to call this h. Okay. So the relationship between this would be, these two would be the tangent. So tangent of 54 degrees equal to h over 5. Okay. So h will equal to 5 times tangent of 54 degrees. So you can figure that out, right? Okay, so 54 tangent times by 5 equal to, so h equal to 6.8819. Okay, so again, I'm using extra digit right now. Okay, I can run it off later for the final answer. Okay, so once I've known the h, now that I can figure out the area. So area equal to 1/2 the base times the height. Okay, so 1/2 base times height. So that's one triangle. Okay, and there are 5 of them, so I need to times it by 5. Okay, and so k equal to, so get calculator. And so if I get three significant digits, the answer would be 172. Okay, it would be 172, and the label would be centimeters squared.